Hey, my name's Elise Pickett with the Urban Harvest, and I teach people how to grow food. One of the best ways to do so is with raised bed gardens, and there are so many different options on how to build those raised beds. We have all different materials and layouts and designs. But a few important things to consider when you're thinking about how you want to construct your raised beds is the materials. You can go anything from upcycled and free all the way on up to fancy raised beds that cost several $100s a pop and everywhere in between. When you're looking for the materials that you're using, a lot of people for a more traditional look tend to favor wood. It's important when you are looking at wood for your raised bed gardens to not use pressure treated wood. Now they have slightly improved the leaching of chemicals, but it is not at all safe for you to grow food in a pressure treated bed. So make sure to use other wood alternatives. If you go with pine, which is cheaper, it will rot very quickly, likely within 2, maybe 3 years at best. So although it is more affordable, you're going to be replacing it a lot more. A little bit more expensive wood is cedar or cypress, but both of those have natural pest repellent properties within them that are not harmful to the soil or the food that you're eating and will greatly extend the length of time that wood is intact and in place within your garden. Another option when you're looking at different materials is to use either cinder blocks or bricks. Both are an easy way. You don't have to have tools or much construction knowledge. You're able to easily stack the cinder blocks in a row, maybe 2 high. You can put the bricks in all sorts of unique configurations, and they make a really nice, simple bed design. The third option is to use metal. And metal is something that gives it a little bit more of a modern look, I think. But they're, at this point, a little bit more affordable than the wood beds used to be. Metal comes in all different thicknesses and heights, so it's easy to make a bed that fits your look and design. And it tends to take a little bit less carpentry skills than the wood. So you're able to buy clippers at the store, cut the metal to the size that you'd like, and assemble it. If you're looking for more of a DIY approach or a free approach, you can look at alternative materials using PVC drain pipes from a construction site, looking on Craigslist or Facebook for various materials that you can source. Just make sure, again, that you are mindful of any sort of leaching or chemical from like pallet gardens, which is a potential issue. For more information and resources on raised bed gardening and beginner gardening, go to kellogg.garden.products.